To the courts now. Today was day 8 of the Uchence Wilson gang trial. The state witness, still being cross-examined, told the court he tried to report the gang many times, but the police would not listen. Kirk Wright has been following the trial and now joins us live. Kirk, update us on what happened in court today.
Well, Archie, the witness told the court today that he visited several police stations and even the commissioner's office to report the activities of the Uchence Wilson gang, but no one took him serious. The witness says when he related the story of how ruthless the gang was to a police officer at the commissioner's office, the person he spoke with did not take a statement and told him the case was too big and that they can't manage it. He says police personnel at the commissioner's office told him, quote, "The robberies sound like a make-up story because there were too many." He says when he reported the matter at several other police stations, he was told they did not think his story was credible. The conversation about the witness making efforts to report the gang's activities came about while the attorney tried to establish that the witness exercised no conscience while going around with the gang members, stealing and committing the other crimes they are accused of. But the witness, who told the court he is 21 years old, says his conscience has been bothering him ever since he started out with the gang. The attorney hit back by reminding the witness of a time he, the witness, lay in a graveyard for hours watching a house before his gang broke in. The attorney said the witness even at that time failed to yield to his conscience and stop his criminal acts. The witness, however, said he was encouraged to continue by gang members and a policeman. He says, quote, "Fitzroy Scott tell me say if me want up and running and thing, me better come and more work." And a policeman also said, "Me can't go with him because if you go, you might catch them in a car with a gun." In his bid to prove the witness had no conscience, the attorney reminded him of a time when he stole from Tashina Baker, one of the women who is also charged with the gang. The attorney said Ms. Baker had reported the witness to the police and that the police was looking for him, the witness. But the witness asked, why would he have any conscience about stealing from Ms. Baker when essentially the things he would be stealing from her would have been stolen items anyway. The trial continues tomorrow and we are expecting to hear much more coming out of him.
All right, Kirk Wright has been covering this case and will continue to do so. Primetime News continues after this break.